Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best NEET coaching in India? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end, as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best NEET preparations in India. Before beginning with the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video. At rank 1, we have Toppers Academy. Toppers Academy is the most preferred online training platform for the preparation of top medical entrance examinations to fulfill the needs of expansive aspirants willing to set a career in this field. Now let us talk about some of the key highlights and the features of this institution. Number 1 being updated study material, interactive live classes, free booklets for NEET examinations preparation, newspaper and magazine analysis, doubt clearing classes, answer writing practice sessions, periodic test series on updated NEET and medical areas, regular feedback series, and finally they have a limited batch size helping students in interacting with teachers better, which is 30 to 35 students in a batch. Alright, now let us talk about the contact details. The contact number being 7827048964. The fee structure includes for 1 year subscription it's rupees 1,20,000 plus 18% GST. For 2 years it's rupees 3 lakh plus 18% GST, and for 3 years it's 4 lakh plus 18% GST. Also, let me tell you the website of this institution, which is www.toppersacademy.app. At rank 2, we have The Hindu Zone Coaching. The Hindu Zone Coaching is one of the best institutions for IAS preparation, as this institute provides a completely free of cost counseling session for the students. Yes, you heard it right, a completely free of cost counseling session, which is very useful for every student preparing for IAS examination. The student can register for this counseling session via the website of this institution, which I'll be telling shortly, so stay tuned. Before that, let's talk about the contact details, like including email ID and the mobile number. The email ID includes info@thehinduzone.com and their phone number includes 8800222298. The website of this institution is www.thehinduzone.com. If any student wishes to register for this free counseling session, they can visit their website and they can register for this counseling session. Now let us talk about this institution a while. Alright. Excellent career guidance and multiple benefits provided with The Hindu Zone, hence you should join them and get access to their free courses and flagship features like small batch classes, interactive classes, etc. At The Hindu Zone, the fee ranges as per the need of the student. Multiple benefits are provided to students like an extra support mentor, free e-library access, notes of multiple flagship coaching institutes, a guide who will keep a check on your preparation and will provide you with a quick tips and tricks. So what you are waiting for? Go ahead and join this institution, contact them. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Aakash Institute. The faculty members are from top institutes who have many years of training experience. They maintain an optimal student-faculty ratio to concentrate more on each and every student. The study materials are provided to the students by the faculty members, which covers all the syllabus that has been provided to the students. The study material is given with question banks with answers. The institute has maintained a good record in the past years as well. Alright, the contact number being 911147623456. And the batch size includes 50 to 60 students in one batch, and the website is www.aakash.ac.in. Down to our rank 4 institute, we have Ellen Career Institute. Now, why should students choose Ellen Institute? The reasons being, number 1, study materials are given to the students by this institute with question banks and solved answers. Number 2, periodic tests are being conducted by the staff members to monitor the students. Number 3, students are made to learn in a way that they can remember for a longer time. And finally, they provide you, this institute motivates the students to achieve great results in the entrance examination. Alright. The contact number being 917442757575, and the batch size includes 40 to 50 students in one batch. The website of this institute is www.ellen.ac.in. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 5 institute, is Resonance Coaching. This institute offers a study material that covers all the syllabus in order to give them the foundation and to make the concept very clear. Moreover, for NEET coaching, the students are provided with solved examples with unsolved questions to practice for the examinations. The repeated question is being asked in the NEET entrance exams which Rezone Institute gives. Alright, the contact numbers being 7442 777. The batch size includes 50 to 65 students for online classes. The website of this institute includes www.rezonings.ac.in. So friends, these were our top 5 institutes for best NEET preparations in India. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.